Suffolk County Music Service presents The Sky, Session 2, a how to play guide for Wicket students.
In this session, we are going to warm up and play through what we learnt in Session 1. We are also going to learn how to play Section B of The Sky. By the end of this video, we will know everything we need to perform the whole piece. So let's get started.
Before warming up, check your posture. Make sure you're standing tall with relaxed shoulders. Roll your shoulders back a bit if that helps. Your left hand should be at the top of the clarinet with the right hand below. Check your fingers are correctly positioned over the keys. In The Sky, in the E-flat clarinet part, we have quite a few E's to A's. When you're playing E to A, roll that finger back. Try not to lift it. Okay, let's warm up. I'd like you to listen and copy back each phrase as an echo. The first note is an E, thumb and first finger. Have your thumb and first finger pressed down over the keys and listen out for where it changes up to F sharp, lifting the thumb, and up to an A with the top middle A key as well. Okay, let's start. Ready on E. Up to F sharp. Still on A.
Here is the first section of The Sky that we learnt in the last session. There are lots of hints and tips to help you play this section on the screen, so pause the video here to read through the red boxes and remind yourself of what you need before we try to play this section again.
Let's go over section A from last week. Have your fingers ready over the keys for the notes E, F sharp and A. It starts on E. And remember to connect 2 bars into one long phrase, breathing only every 2 bars and tonguing each note as you go. I will play along with you the first time and then it's your turn to play it on your own the second time on the repeat. Okay, here we go. We will now look at section C, which is identical to section A, apart from the last bar. In music, this structure is known as ternary form, A, B, A. We will need a really strong ha at the end to finish. And as before, have your fingers ready over E and F sharp for this part. It starts on an E. As before, make sure you're tonguing every note as you go. You did this brilliantly last time. Here we go, playing section C, starting on an E.
Well remembered. Now let's move on and learn section B.
Now we're going to look at section B. As the piece is in ternary form, A, B, A, section B is like the filling of our musical sandwich. We're going to clap the rhythm of the notes of section B now. Take care to count carefully through the minims and the semibreves. Did you notice that section B ended in quavers the first time, but crotchets the second time in the second time bar? So remember that, look out for that. Now I'm going to play a phrase for you to copy back. The notes, it starts on E and then it goes up to A. So we'll practice each phrase. I'll play it first, you copy back. My turn. Good. Section B is mezzo forte, meaning moderately soft. So try still blowing firmly, but a little softer, like this. Not. There are some notes with an arrow-like symbol, meaning accented. So play the notes with a stronger puff of air to give a stronger attack, like this. As opposed to. So real strong attack on the accented notes. Now we shall put section B together. Play along with me the first time and try it on your own the second time.
Fantastic! Now you can play the whole piece through twice. The first time you'll play as a duet with a music service tutor. Then the video will give you a chance to play it on your own as a solo. Have fun! Well played. Remember, keep practicing this piece. It will get better and better.